famous for one word. So, can anyone tell me what that word was?
That is right, crikey. Now we're going to do what we call here at Australia Zoo a good old-fashioned crack-off. Group number 1, we are now versing group number 2. This is how it's going to work. On the count of 3, you need to jump up out of your seats, throw your thumbs in the air, and give me your loudest and your proudest crikey in honor of Steve. And then Daisy and group number 2 are going to try and do that.
Try. That's a new thing, Taylor, but I'm going to make this super fair on you as a judge. Now I'm actually going to look straight up to our AV man, Bradley. Could you please be our judge today? All you have to do is pick the loudest.
Yeah, I think you've got it. Alright, group number 1, we're going to kick this off today and show them how it's done. Your loudest and your proudest crikey on 3, 2, 1!
Crikey!
And that is how you do a crack-off.
Look, that was pretty cute from Taylor, but you know what, for number 2, I know we can do better. So again, on the count of 3, out of your seats, your hands in the air, and give me crikey on 3, 2, 1!
Not bad, not bad. We're going to throw it up to our judge. Who's it going to be? Number 1! Congratulations, we have won our very own Wildlife Warriors Crack-Off. Stick around. Now, Daisy, you know the rules. This is not your first time moving here in our Crocoseum. So unfortunately, your entire team needs to stand up, take you with them, and leave.
Taylor, I do not think so. Group number 2, are we going to leave? No. Do we want to see some wildlife? Yeah, you know what? You are in for a treat today as these marbles flying over your heads are on the board.
Now these birds are native to Central and South America, and these colourful characters, they're pretty hard to miss, both inside and sound.
There are 17 different species of the polite that next to range from the size of a small parrot all the way up to the hyacinth, which can grow over 1 metre long.
And they all have unique personalities and looks. Those feather lines on their faces are just like our fingerprints, meaning they're unmatchable to any other.
Yeah, however, it is because of their beauty that people are stealing them from the forest and selling them as pets. Now, make no mistake, we want all of you to keep these beautiful birds flying free, and that is why I'm always saying no to the wildlife zone.
And trust me, you do not want a pet bird that will live to be 100 years old, or to remain forever as hyperactive as your 5-year-old child.
Alright, Taylor, I think it's about time we go from feathers to scales.
Oh, now check out the snakes making their way to the Crocoseum. Here in Australia, we're pretty lucky as we are home to more species of venomous snakes than non-venomous. These snakes are the non-venomous variety, however, and they've grown up right here in Australia Zoo, so they're feeling very comfortable around people.
Yeah, exactly right. Wild snakes, however, if feeling cornered or threatened, the only thing they can do to protect themselves is to bite. So it makes sense that we are here, most people didn't, was actually trying to catch or even kill a snake.
Now, fortunately, the first stage for Australian snake bite is simple and effective. If you follow these easy rules, you might even save someone's life.
Yeah, exactly right. You know what, Taylor, it's about time we address this huge elephant in the room. It is quite obvious that Hamish has been bitten by a snake. I'm going to show you guys some very simple first aid. Now, first thing to remember, if you are ever unlucky enough to be bitten by a snake, is to keep calm, don't move, and do not panic. The more you move around, the more that venom can circulate through your body. Now, what you need is a bandage.
I don't have a bandage either, but I think I know someone who could help. Now, thanks to Luca, we have exactly what we need. But if you don't have a bandage handy, don't worry, a piece of clothing or even a belt will do the trick.
Now, once we've located that bite side, we want to wrap it 3 to 4 times before we cut the rest of the wound.
Just remember, don't wrap it so tight that you cut off the circulation. The same amount of pressure that you would use on a sprained ankle or a wrist.
Yeah, once the patient is all that is stuff, that's what we call the ambulance. Make sure they stay still and calm and close their eyes. And always let that help come to you.
Well, that is excellent advice, Daisy, but I think you better get back to work and we better get out here because Crystal is going to take you all to the side. Yeah, we're heading to our Australian skies now. If you keep your eyes peeled, you may be lucky enough to see one of our beautiful riding kites.
eat their food and continue to fly, and that does conserve energy and it can help them hide their prey from any other birds. Drop that one. Bye. Now these guys are found hanging around waterways. Now they do have a different hunting technique and it's what's known as raking. So they'll fly really low over the water's edge, they'll chuck their little talons in and they'll try and fish for their food. Now if you can imagine, if he didn't have feathers running the full length of his legs, he wouldn't have very good success at all, as it would weigh him down a little bit. So if I can get him down, we'll be able to showcase his cutesy little legs, and you'll notice he doesn't have those feathers running down his legs at all. Now, as I said before, they are known to eating on the wing, and it's actually quite a natural behaviour when they will land to eat that food item. For the larger food items, they are really terrible. Now, Byron, he's a raptor, characterised by keen vision, a sharp beak, and powerful talons. And your kite species, they're actually very cheeky in nature, and they're actually a very smart species as well. So what Byron's trying to do here, he's trying to rake for his food and get a free feed. Now it's my job not to let him get that. Now when I talk about the kite species being very, very smart, you didn't get anything, Byron. You guys see him look at his little talons there? So their cousins, the black kite, they're known to hang around fires. Now what they're waiting for is any fleeing insects or rodents. Now they're also known to take a burning twig from that fire, dump it in a different area, they will start another fire, and that's another abundance of food for those kites as well. Now, as you can see, his wings are designed for flying, and what he's doing is catching a free ride. So, they're what's known for catching thermals. Now, it's pockets of hot air, and they'll help him fly longer distances at all. And as you can see, he's having a ball today, ignoring his keeper. Does anyone have kids at home? I do. They always say that working kids or birds or animals, I work with both. Pretty great. Now I really would like to get Byron in, so we're going to persist today and try and get him to my glove, as he can be quite cheeky with some of the birds that are about to come out. I'll give him one last go. Lucky last chance, Byron. Now let him circle past me. I know he's looking what I've got. Byron. Now, as I said, these guys are actually really easy to distinguish in the sky. They have that beautiful two-tone coloration. Byron, you can see him looking. He's just been a little bit cheeky and a bit choosy. But if he doesn't come down today, then he won't get his big food item with a nice big reward. It's kind of like us. What are the food items we like? I like chocolate, so that's my go-to. Oh, so close. Alright, and to try one more time, we're going to get our favourite keeper, Adele, just to give him a go. Because we do want to head on with the show and bring out some really cool birds to showcase to you guys today. Last chance, good job, Byron. He's cheeky, but I love him. So now we're going to head from aerial to aquatic, where we open up a whole new world of hunting. Now, there are some birds that can dive as deep and as fast as the fish. Now, that's exactly how a cormorant can catch aquatic whales. Now, Albert, he's the larger of the two. Now, he's what's known as a greater cormorant, whereas Scuba, the smaller of the two, you notice that she does have that beautiful two-tone coloration. Now, she's what's known as a little pied cormorant. And as you can see, they're both perfectly designed for life in the water. And they do lack that water-resistant coating on their feathers that many other birds do have. Now, while it's the right for life under the water, well, a bird, they just cannot take to the skies to wet feathers. And that's why you see our cormorants flying in the riverbanks throughout Australia with their wings outstretched, just as if they're hanging themselves out to dry. She does look very cute there, doesn't she? Now, our waterways are home to a huge diversity of birds. Now, there are some that do have a different hunting As you can see, they're designed perfectly for wading through the water and shallows. Now that bigger fish, that's his main weapon. He'll use that to stab out and grab his prey. Now he can take down anything from fish, crustaceans, eels, and sometimes juvenile crocodiles. Now you're one very lucky audience, as we're about to introduce the most interactive bird that we have right here in the Crocoseum. And I'm sure they're very excited. I'd love to introduce Micah. Take it away.
Thank you, Crystal.
What are you doing, Doug?
This here is my mate Lily. She's a beautiful red-tailed black coot. Now not only is Lily trained to fly from point to point, but she can also fly from person to person. And to demonstrate this today, I need an adult volunteer out of this audience. So I'd like to see some hands who'd like to be Lily face to face. Come on guys, you can do better than that. She's taking this side today, I think. The gentleman, you're already standing up in your cotton green shirt. Yeah, that's good. You can stay where you are. All you need to do is grab your wallet and grab me out of $5 note. But there are a few of you laughing when you do this $5 note. Lily doesn't know this person, but to help her out, let's go $5 note. Here it is. You just hold that in half. Again for me. Stand back up. Now all you need to do is hold it between two fingers and your arms straight out to the side. Just a little bit lower. Yeah, that's it. You should see this note and know exactly what it is. Let me think it's alright. Just stretch your arm out a little bit more. Yes. Alright. This side. 20, 50 very enthusiastic people. I'm kidding. I will get this money back. If you want to stand up for me again. One arm out to the side. Actually, you've got a bit of confusion. Could you hold both your arms out? It'll make it a bit easier for her. All you need to do is slap really hard, fly down and grab it. Only kidding. No, stand up here. Stand up. One arm out, straight out, and then palm facing up like a little landing platform, and Lily will bring this note back by her hand out. Now once you place that note in palm of your hand, you just want to keep it over the note. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was Lily, my amazing red-tailed black cockatoo.
Welcome, Lily. Welcome to the superstar. Outside me, some of Lily's best mates.
Check out some of our gorgeous native parrots. These chickens are really social in the wild and have a very distinct call. So keep your eyes and your ears open as you may just be lucky enough to see one of these birds flying around Australia.
But now I would love to introduce the speed demon of the bird world, our favourite Jason
What?
Now our Dorothy, that has to be fast, send a chance in the wild. It's become the favourite food item of the fastest animal on the planet, the peregrine falcon. Now all of our Australian neighbours, they do rely on the bush for food and for shelter. So please remember, no bush, no bird.
True, Crystal. Now, worldwide habitat loss
Oh,
is the
hello.
number one threat to the survival of all our gorgeous wildlife.
Wherever you are, wherever you live, bring these plants to your backyard and sooner or later you'll have incredible wildlife living in your place.
Well,